Do you want to know something most people don't realize? Your credit score is not a measure of how rich you are. It's not even a measure of how responsible you are. It's simply a score that tells banks how profitable you are to them, and nobody explains it that way. Today, I'm going to break down the truth about credit scores, how they really work, and how to use them as a tool instead of letting them control your life. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Hi, my name is Jalen, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. This will ensure that new videos will reach you by YouTube's algorithm. Here's the truth. A credit score is a risk score. That's it. It tells lenders one thing. How likely is this person to borrow money and pay them back? It does not measure your income, your intelligence, your work ethic, or your future potential. Someone with a high credit score isn't necessarily wealthy. They're just good at using debt in a responsible way. Let's talk about why so many people feel stuck. The system rewards people who borrow consistently paying on time, keeping balances low, and keeping accounts open for a long time. But here's the part nobody explains. You can do everything right and still struggle if you don't understand the rules. For example, paying off a card completely can lower your score. Closing accounts can hurt you. Not using credit at all makes you invisible, so the system isn't broken. It's just designed for lenders first, not consumers. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors. The biggest one is payment history. Late payments hurt more than anything else. One missed payment can affect your score for years. The second factor is credit utilization. That's how much of your available credit you're using. As a general rule, keep it under 30% and ideally under 10%. The third factor is credit age. The longer your accounts stay open, the better your credit profile looks. The fourth factor is credit mix. Having different types of accounts can help, but it's not as important as people think. The last factor is new credit. Opening too many accounts too quickly can hurt you in the short term. Notice what's missing from that list: your income. That's why someone making $50,000 can have better credit than someone making $500,000. Here's the biggest myth I want to clear up. You do not need to carry a balance to build credit. That is completely false. You can use your card, let the statement close, and pay it off in full every month. You'll still build strong credit without paying interest. Interest is optional. Discipline is not. People who understand credit don't chase perfect scores. They chase access to lower interest rates, access to business funding, access to opportunities when timing matters. Credit is a tool, not a trophy. Instead of obsessing over the number, focus on clean habits, pay on time, keep balances low, avoid unnecessary applications, let your accounts age. If you do that consistently, your score takes care of itself. Credit doesn't make you wealthy, but understanding how it works gives you options, and options are what change lives. If you would like more detailed information and receive high-valued hacks and tools to help improve your credit, then sign up for my Patreon. Also, comment credit if you would like a full step-by-step checklist. Thank you for watching. If you would kindly take a second to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, I would gratefully appreciate it. This will allow the algorithm to show you more helpful videos. Until next time, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.